what's up everyone? I'm Justin from AmericanMuscle.com and I'm bringing you SLP's Loudmouth Axle-Back exhaust for your 2011 and up GT Mustang. This Loudmouth system eliminates the restrictive factory mufflers, which allows for more horsepower. This also makes for one mean exhaust note as well. This system is constructed from 3-inch mandrel bent stainless steel tubing, exiting through hand-polished 4-inch tips, which result in a very clean finish. Simple bolt-on installation should only take you about an hour. Let's hear how SLP's Loudmouth Axle-Back compares to your factory exhaust.